Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to remove phone number from Facebook or delete phone number from Facebook. If you want to remove or delete your mobile number or phone number from Facebook, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Facebook. After that, you can see my Facebook account, and in this time I can easily delete or remove phone number or mobile number from Facebook. So let's see how to do that. After that, three dot line, click on it. Choose and open settings and privacy. Open settings. After that, choose and open personal details. You can see password and security, personal details, your information and permissions. So in this time you can choose and open personal details. After that, choose contact info, click here. Contact information, manage your mobile numbers and email addresses to make sure that your contact info is accurate and up to date. After that, you can see Gmail account and phone number. And in this time I can easily remove or delete phone number. So let's see. After that, choose and open phone number. In this you can see my Facebook account and my Instagram. And in this time I can choose and open Facebook. And in this time I can easily remove or delete phone number or mobile number from Facebook. After that, you can see delete from Facebook. So choose delete from Facebook, click on it. Delete number. After that, choose delete. You have deleted your previous number, and in this way I can easily delete or remove phone number or mobile number from my Facebook. And in this way you can easily remove or delete phone number from Facebook or remove or delete your mobile number from Facebook. In this time I can show second process or second method, so minimize it. So in this time I can show second process. You can follow my process. So in this time I can easily remove your phone number or remove mobile number from your Facebook account. So let's see. So first of all, go to Google Chrome. After that, choose and open Google Chrome. You can see in this time I can log in or sign in Google Chrome Facebook account, and in this time I can easily remove or delete phone number from Facebook. So let's see. After that, you can see Facebook profile picture, click on it. Choose and open settings and privacy. You can see settings, click on it. After that, in this you can see account center, personal details, password and security, add preferences, verifications. After that, in this you can choose and open see more in account center, click on it. After that, you can choose and open personal details, click on it. You can see contact info, my Facebook Gmail account, and then my Facebook phone number. So open it. And in this time I can easily delete or remove phone number or mobile number from Facebook. So let's see. So choose and open phone number, click on it. And in this time I can easily delete or remove phone number or mobile number from Facebook. So let's see. After you can see delete number, click on it. Delete number, and then you can see two options, cancel or delete. You can choose delete, click here. And in this way you can easily remove or delete your phone number or mobile number from Facebook. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.